welcome back to another video. So today we will be doing a flight from Cyprus right now. Yeah, from Cyprus here. So right now I'm calling with my friends, so if you guys some sounds talking, those are my friends. Just don't mind them. They're chill. Right guys?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, totally. They're totally chill. Yeah guys, so right now what should what should we use this? So right now my voice is all good. It's all good.
Not good.
My no dude, my voice is back, like actually bro. My voice is like all back.
His voice is only kind of good.
My voice is back. My voice is back. My throat actually feels like really good. It just feels like so lega, you know.
So expensive.
So yeah guys. So you guys, we will be using the dreamlifter over here. Bro, can you guys actually stop like playing that giants? That's apparently so addictive giant sandwich game. I don't know why, but Gakra is actually pretty fun. You can chill and hang out with people. That might be PDF files. Alright guys, we'll be taking off. Okay, stop, Baron, stop. Baron, stop, I'm recording, Baron, stop, I'm recording. Yeah, no, sometimes they don't make it better. Sorry guys. We actually like the dreamlifter, to be honest. So right now we're heading to Great Rockford. You know why? Yeah, no, I'm not going to Orange. I was planning to go to Orange, but hell no. Wait, what should our tail number be, guys? Wait, what's the tail number? Wait, hold on. What's the tail number? I can't find the tail number. Oh man, what's the tail number? What, Barin? I'm playing PTFS. I'm using the dreamlifter. This is a really short flight. Wait, no, don't extend gears now. I actually extended gears. I almost there anyways. I'm gonna lower down throttle when I do approach. What? Yeah, she's muted. I don't know what's wrong with her. Oh my god, the airport's right there. I might have to do a go around. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a go around. Back up to a few thousand feet. Because I'm doing a go around. Oh my god, this is just like me in Vietnam. I had to do a go around. 2 go arounds actually. Actually, no, one go around. I have to do a go around Vietnam, guys, because there was so much traffic in Hoi An. Why am I so laggy, guys? Holy lag! Oh, sorry guys if I'm laggy. I'm lagging so much. Is there a fighter? No. Where's the airport? It's gone totally. Let's go down to 1,000 feet. Might be a little low, but okay. Train. Stick in 2,000 so the puppy lights can stay too red, too white. Okay, let's bust out the gear now. This is like my second time using the dreamlifter. After next video is a Lufthansa 747 flight. Or any, it's just, I guess it's just a 747. I guess it's just gonna be a 747. Okay. 5 flights and final approach. I'm all white. I'm on all white right now, guys. I'm on all white. Yeah, not great. I'm on all white. Come on, where's the too red, too white? I'm on all white, bro. Bro, it's reading me on that runway, not this runway. Okay, one red. And the results are one red. Okay, that's cool. And touchdown. I guess, I don't know. That was pretty good, I guess. Cool C-17. You just need to tax it again, guys. Ready. So guys, you know what our gate is. This is my favorite gate ever. If you guys have watched my past videos, you'll know. Each time I do a cargo flight, I always do this. You guys saw that UPS flight. If you guys saw that UPS flight, yeah, you'll know what it is. Sorry guys if I yap so much on every video. Perfect. Alright guys, that was it for this video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Pretty short, eh? So yeah guys, thanks, peace.